Over 100 graduates of the International Public Health Master Program at the Hebrew University have returned for the first time to Israel to discuss current tendencies in their sector and meet fellow graduates of the program, which has been running for over 40 years.
The international program is what some have called the jewel in the crown of the academia of Hebrew University. As a matter of fact, I had just met with the Dean of the Faculty of Medicine a few days ago in preparation of this meeting, and he said that the recognition that this program provides to the university on a global scale cannot be measured in simple monetary dollars and cents, and therefore is invaluable to the university as an academic program.
Those were the warm words of the host of the conference, Professor Yehuda Neumark, who believes his school is doing great service globally. However, we wanted to find out from the graduates of the program what they have done with all the skills they acquired at the school in their countries of origin.
I was working in the Israeli Embassy Clinic in Addis Ababa. I was responsible for managing the activities which we do in the clinic, which include the TB screening program, the medical checkup, and also health education.
I've worked in a national NGO, I've worked in an international NGO, I've gone into private practice, I've done consultancy, I've worked with the International Red Cross, I've worked with an American organization, and I've fitted in every single organization I'm in.
I work with international non-governmental organization, Première Urgence at Medical International, which is a French NGO.
Nowadays, I'm leading the big NGO, fighting tobacco back in my country, and thanks to this cooperation, we were able to ban smoke in public places. We were able to implement the health pictorial warnings, which will come in force in July this year, and we were able to enforce the tobacco tax increase since next year because of NGO impact that we have back in my country.
Professor Mario Barras has taught at the school for over 20 years, and he admits that his attraction to continue to teach there is the special human element of the students.
Diversity of the students, their backgrounds, the culture is very interesting for me, and to meet them, and also their attitude. They come here to study, to learn, and that's what I try to do, to teach them really how to use. I am a teacher of statistics, biostatistics, and I try to teach them how to use it properly.
And of course, one of the side effects of living and studying in Israel for a year is that when those students return to their countries of origin, they become unofficial ambassadors of Israel and advocates of the Jewish state. For JN1, I'm Ron Jacobson in Jerusalem.